Static voices fill the air. Everyone's talking, no one's clear. Opinions louder than the truth. Endless feed I'm scrolling through. Same advice, different names. Everyone's shouting their own game. So I'm so que mucho, so I almost miss what mattered most. Turn it down, slow it back. Find the line between the cracks. Stumble telling God I need, but one thing finally rings true. I found a signal in the noise, a steady sound of real choice. Not the loudest, not the flash, but something built to last. No perfect plan, no polished voice, just my reason, just my cause. Whole and soul gets apart. You're not a signal in the noise. Trends come fast, trends fade quick. Yesterday's gold is counterfeit. Chasing lights that burn and die leaves you empty every time. I stopped asking what's the best, started asking what's honest. I hear it now, I hear it clear. Cut the echo, kill the fear. What stays quiet stays sincere. Akshina Sodiga Nida. It's the calm I feel inside. Less confusion, fewer lies, clearer days, focused eyes. 세상이 시끄러워도 I know which way I go. Every whisper, every doubt, help me tune the signal out. 이제는 놓치지 않아 the truth I've always known. I found a signal in the noise, not imposed but self-employed. No approval, no disguise, just a path I recognize. When the volume fades away, this one sound decides my way. So I'm 속에서도 분명한 that signal in the noise. Still here, still tuned, still moving, still here, still tuned.